Hey everyone, this is Joe from Antilio's Woodshop. In this video, I'll be making these board stands. I'll be making 3 different designs, 2 for thicker boards and 1 for thinner boards. I've been wanting to make these stands to prop my cutting boards and charcuterie boards for product photography. In the past, I have wasted a lot of time figuring out how to prop my boards without damaging them. You can also use the stands to display the beautiful Endgrain board that you bought from Antilio's Woodshop. Alright, let's go! To get started, I traced the templates on this piece of curly cherry to figure out how much I need. Mark the spot and use my miter saw to cut what I needed. After that, I used the planer to clean up the slight bow on the board. Retrace the templates so I can use the lines as a guide on the bandsaw. If you don't have a bandsaw, a jigsaw will do the job. On the bandsaw, I cut the cherry into 3 manageable sizes. I was being lazy and kept a 1/2-inch blade instead of switching to a 3/8 blade. The tight curves took a lot of time and put too much pressure on my 1/2-inch blade, and it broke after the 4th stand. I ended up using my 3/8 blade anyways. Using double-sided tape, I'm attaching the templates sent by Kevin from Wood Grain Junkie. I'll leave a link in the description, and don't forget to use the code BANTILLO, BANTILLO, to get 10% off the templates. I'll be using this 3/8 upcut bit with a 1/2-inch shank from Bits and Bits. I wanted the ability to replicate the stands, that's why I'm using templates and a flush trim bit, just in case my customers wants to order the stands with their boards. Flush trimming is very intimidating, especially on thicker stocks. Start on the edge or the long grain and never on the end grain. Use a starter pin and go slow until you make contact with the template. After that, it's pretty much smooth sailing. This is my first time using this bit, and having a 1/2-inch shank with a 3/8 cut provides rigidity and still enabled me to cut even the tightest curves in this template. This bit leaves a smooth surface with minimal sanding needed. Any burn marks is my fault. My technique isn't quite perfect, and the cherry quickly reminded me of that. After removing the templates, I added a slight chamfer on the edges. I sanded the stands using 120 grit only. In my opinion, anything more is a waste, but feel free to sand to 1000 grit. Now to add the finish, I'll be applying some Danish oil and letting it dry overnight. And that's it. I hope you find this video useful, and let me know if you have any questions. Till next time, see ya!